What is this called? Sink, sink. What is this called? It's a faucet, faucet. What about this one? Toilet seat, toilet seat. What about this part? Toilet lid, toilet lid. And this one? Bidet, bidet, bidet. Perfect. What is this called? Flush, flush. And it's a noun and verb. Flush. What about this one? Yes, it's a bathtub. Bathtub. Or just a tub. Tub. Perfect. What about this part? This is the shower head. Shower head. What about this one? Plunger. 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 And this one? Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. And the last one? Toilet brush. Toilet brush. What is this called? Stove. Stove. Perfect. What is this called? Oven. Oven. Great. What is this called? Fridge. Fridge or refrigerator. Refrigerator. Great job. What is this called? Microwave. Microwave. Perfect. What is this called? Air fryer. Air fryer. What is this called? Blender. Blender. Sometimes it's also mixer. Mixer. Perfect. What is this called? Hand blender. Hand blender. Perfect. What is this called? Yes, washing machine. It's a washing machine. Perfect. What is this called? Dishwasher. Dishwasher. What is this called? Fan. Fan. And finally, what is this called? Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Great job. So that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our own channel.